Hey everyone, so this is a mental stress release and neck rejuvenating face yoga exercise series, we can call that, I think. So like the body is one, right? So the body is one, everything is connected. Face yoga is normally done for just, face rejuvenation on the surface level, but it's much more deep, and you can use any sort of self-massage to release deep stress, deep mental, emotional, energetic stress that builds up in you. So I'm Petra. I'm a masseuse for 16 years and I have been learning and practicing face yoga also for years now. So yeah, let's start. So as always, we're gonna start with making the posture and making the breath conscious, all right? So we're gonna do just little circles from to the back. So it's not like from the back to the fore, but you're gonna start moving forward and then back, okay? So this is gonna be your direction now. You're gonna start moving forward, and when you are at the bottom and back, so remember this, back and bottom, so you do the circle, and when you reach the back and the bottom position, there you hold a little bit and pull yourself out more straight. So do a big circle with a big inhalation, and when you exhale, down and back. So again, deep inhalation and exhale, down and back. And this is the right position of our shoulders. Of course, today the whole world is a mess, everyone is super stressful, everyone is like collapsing into themselves, partially to protect their heart as well, and all the stress makes their shoulders very super rigid, and then just the whole mental stress state just normalizes. So do deep breath, hold the shoulders down and back. The way you hold yourself affects your mental state, all right? So after, you're gonna have one hand on the chest, the other is on the belly, and just breathe into your belly, allow the chest to raise, and breathe out. So make, always before practice or while practicing, make the posture and the breath conscious. So first we're going to start with a little lymph node massage. So our body has all kinds of channels. It has meridians too, and prana tubes, and energy channels as well, like subtle energy systems, lymph nodes, and all kinds of sort of things. So here is actually the end of your kidney meridian, and the kidney is a filtration system, and here are also lymph nodes here under your clavicle and under your jaw as well. This is very crucial in depuffing ourselves and proper fluid and detox processes. So, and it also feels very good. Also, this area is normally tight. It's very tightened and shortened. The muscles are shortened here, and the muscles are lengthened on the back. So it's very nice to stretch out these muscles. So the way our breathing, the health of our breathing, the health of our posture, the health of our entire body and our neck, and the stretchedness of our neck muscles really affect our face, the beauty of our face as well, the outside beauty of our face, as well as the inside mental and emotional states we are, all right? So the four body system correlates to each other. So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna hold both of your shoulders down, take a big breath, slowly exhale, allow your head down, and then you're just gonna do these half circles. So inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now when your head is still down hanging, interlace your fingers behind your back, exhale completely, try to touch your elbows together, and then we're gonna stretch the neck right at the beginning, like really hard. Stretch the neck all the way, stretch the neck. The muscles are shortened for most people because of bad posture and screen time and all of that. And then exhale down. Inhale again, stretch the neck, stretch, and exhale down. So this thing here, and we're gonna start also with the face massage in the beginning, not face massage, neck massage in the beginning. So what we're gonna do here is, here's your trapezius muscle. Wait. So here's your trapezius muscle, and we're gonna go from top or bottom to top, and from top to bottom, with a little bit moving our head to the side, folding it in, you know, just feel it out. Almost everyone has a super tight trapezius muscle, especially as you go forward in your ages, start your working life and the family and all the stress and all the responsibility. Everything is just so much stuck and attached, and we store all the stress here in our trapezius. When I was doing, let's change the other side. When I was doing I had a couple of years, couple of years, and keep breathing, keep your posture. Lots of stress is going to release from here. You know, it's not, self-massage should be regular, a basic, every day, actually, every night time especially. So, when I was doing yoga classes, lots of yoga classes, but I don't like to call them yoga, I call them stretching classes. We're gonna move with the hands now. Sorry, just I'm interrupting myself. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna stick your fingers, your fingertips here in this hollow part above your clavicle, and just a little bit push your fingertips in there and just push your clavicles down a little bit. Keep breathing deep. So I was touching so many people, I was working on so many people, I was holding and instructing loads of yoga classes or stretching classes or body classes every week, every day, for days, and most people had stone hard cold and hard stone hard backs and trapezius is holding so many tension here at the neck. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna simply interlace the fingers, have the backs or have the roots of your hand massaging your neck all the way. So it's called nutcracker, by the way. So you're just it's going to feel amazing. Make sure that you breathe huge breaths, really very deep, very huge breaths, because it's going to feel amazing. Okay, working your neck from bottom to top all the way circularly, and this is going to allow blood flow, lymph flow, energy flow back to your body. Stress is going to come out, and thus your whole face will smoothen out. So when one starts on their rejuvenating, holistic health, natural beauty journey, then you are also going to be reminded and be made understood that you have to treat your body as a whole. So there's no point in just outside face exercises without doing and caring for all the rest of your body, you know, and also it's going to feel good. So now, after, you know, like kneading your neck all the way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you know, just hold your neck, just, you know, hold on to yourself and just stretch again, just stretch. And when you pair face yoga, when you pair facial exercises with body stretches that I'm not gonna call yoga, but stretching, and there is the upward dog, that I hate the upward dog, so I'm not gonna the upward facing posture with a strong back bend. So this is amazing. We're gonna do the sternocleidomastoid. So this is amazing to, here's what it is. This is amazing to stretch the shortened neck muscles. So I have been doing stretching or yoga for 16 years as well. So yoga and massage and body work is really my main thing, what I do. And I didn't even realize I was doing facial exercises, or I was doing exercises that are good for the face as well, and it really is. So I have a very strong back bend, I am very flexible, thus thanks to my practice. So now that I started to learn face yoga too, I realized, wow, I have been doing this. So my muscles, my platysma, my sternocleidomastoid, my trapezius, my temporalis muscles even, they are like very nice and stretched out and relaxed thanks to the practice of stretching and deep breathing. So I really inspire everyone to start because it's so good, it's so stress releasing. I couldn't live without my practice, to be honest. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pinch the neck muscles first, just gently, just wake up this really sensitive area. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that of course you can use creams or oils, hopefully your own natural handmade ones, or like really trusted sources, and you should use the same oils and creams to your neck than like you are using to your face, because the skin is very sensitive here as well, just like your chest area and your breast area. So we're gonna do just a simple, just like very simple pinching, not hurting at all, just really wakening up this area. And afterwards, after this, there's an amazing, very nice feeling exercise that also wakes up the whole area, plus massages the lymph nodes. You're gonna have your knuckles and you're gonna come up all the way, and you start from the bottom and come up all the way to the lymph nodes and the thyroid, okay? Just make sure it feels good. Don't push here in the middle because you're gonna like choke yourself and it's very unpleasant. Just right next to the spine, okay? Just next to the cervical spine. Cervical spine is the neck area of the spine, all right? Afterwards, we're gonna stretch the neck again. One hand holding the chin, the other is holding the clavicles, and with your hand you have diagonally, you stretch diagonally, holding your shoulder down, holding your chest high, and the breathing continuously flowing, all right? The other one. I hope you're breathing through your nose, not only now but in general. Nose breathing is the way to go. The nose is what has been made for us to breathe through it, all right? Just saying. This should have felt very good. Now another one. We're gonna continue the pinching, but we're gonna pinch under our chin area now, under our chin. Keep breathing so all the stress comes out and you release it, and this really is a cleansing and healing practice for you. And then basic chin exercise. So you're gonna just brush with the top of your hands. This is good for double chin. This is also good for the lymph nodes and just generally waking up this area. And we're gonna finish with a simple little very delicious feeling ear exercise. You're gonna do a little V with your hands and just brush before and behind your ears, all right? Okay, so this was a very basic neck exercise, posture, breathing. Let's make the breathing and posture exercise session. If you like this, or you have anything to say, you can leave a comment and subscribe to the channel if it has helped to you, or if you like this. And yeah, that's it. Breathe through your nose, hold your posture, and just keep your shoulders down, because when you do this, what you can actually control is this. You can control yourself, you can control your own breathing, and it's going to have a long-term effect on your mental peace. You know, lots of the whole world is agitated. This is a crazy world we live in, so it's very good to start to build up some basic exercise, basic sets of exercise, or it's like a toolkit for yourself, you know, like a toolkit that you can reach to whenever you spiral out or you start to feel very agitated and stressed. That is like the sickness of the 21st century. So just do whatever you can to be able to help you feel safe and well. All right. And oh yeah, and I have a 6-part mini video series about holistic face yoga, what face yoga really is. And if you want, you can download it for free. It's in the subtitles, not subtitles, but in the description below. All right. So because I really like to take this as just one practice of my whole holistic health practice, and face yoga is just one thing, one toolkit in an arsenal of toolkits. All right, and these are, you can just use it for yourself anytime, and yeah, that's it.